The global food crisis is coming. As the human population continues to grow, experts say that we'll need to produce about 5 to 10 times more food in the next 50 years. Aquaculture, the process of breeding and growing fish and plants in the water, could be the answer. In fact, more than half of the world's seafood supply today is farmed. At the Hebrew University of Jerusalem, Professor Lior David is genetically modifying fish to make them more resistant to disease and to improve future stock.
Genetic modifications is one of the ways to go around it. It's not the only way. It's actually a negligible way now with respect to animals. It is becoming much more common for plants. But in the future, in the next 50 years, we see it coming more and more into animals as well, because it turned out to be a very powerful technology to improve production performance.
From growing fish in closed systems, to improving animal genetics, to offshore fish farming, Israel is considered to be a leader in the field of aquaculture. The Israeli government believes that marine aquaculture will play a key role in solving food insecurity.
We believe that this is maybe one of the best answers to this crisis. Fish farming and aquaculture in general, also algae, does not require fresh water. I'm talking about marine. Does not require fresh water, does not need arable land. It consumes much less energy per kilogram of protein produced. It releases much less CO2 to the environment.
Vegan options like spirulina, protein-rich algae, are also set to revolutionize the food market. One of the challenges of the future will be how to feed the world's growing population. Spirulina, which is filled with vitamins and minerals and is quite nutritious, could be part of the answer. The Israeli company Simply Good has figured out how to grow spirulina using a cost-effective method and is selling it in countries around the world. They can even mimic smoked salmon, which is expected to hit the markets by the end of next year.
It grows in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. We grow it in the Arava Desert in Israel. It can grow in the Sahara, in the Sonora, wherever. The driving force is solar energy, so it's clean, and we only use salt and water to create a continuous supply of edible protein.
A groundbreaking conference in Israel later this month will feature officials and scientists from Israel and around the world. Entrepreneurs will present the latest innovations and research in agri-tech and food tech. Israel is already working with several other countries in the region on aquaculture projects.
We have some project with, or a research project with the Jordanians. We're now starting things with Aqaba in front of Eilat. We have a collaboration with Egyptian researchers, Moroccan researchers, and other countries in the North Africa region. And recently we have activities with the Emirates and the Gulf countries.
The International Summit on Food from the Sea and the Desert will take place from October 18th to 20th in the southern Israeli city of Eilat. From Israel, Maya Margit reporting for the Media Line.